doing? How you doing? This is your boy, Oso Negro. I'm about to show you how to eat chicken like a black man. A lot of people don't know how to eat chicken. They look at us like we're like savages or something. Like, oh my God, he ate all the chicken. What is wrong with him? You white people, y'all don't know how to eat chicken. Something wrong with y'all. Nothing wrong with me. I know how to eat chicken. It's in my blood. So right now I'm going to teach you. What you need: some chicken, hot sauce. You need hot sauce. Hot sauce is a flavor, baby. You need the hot sauce. You need the hot sauce. And of course, purple. You need that purple. Purple drink. Purple drink is the best. I don't know nobody ever tell you different. Purple drink. Chicken's good. Anyway, let me get started. Look at this right here, the chicken. Dab a little bit of hot sauce. Just eat it. Some bomb chicken. And see this right here? This is how your white people leave chicken. You leave all this meat, all this food. What are you gonna do with this? Look at this. Homeless people are pissed off at you because you eat chicken like this. Like, this is how the bone should look. Look at that. Done. No meat. Nothing. Nada. It's not that hard. Just gotta get used to it. I've been doing it my whole life. I'm good at it. You know? Eat a couple pieces. Take a swig of the purple. Purple drink. The best. Go back to eating it. This chicken's good. Just fall off the bone too. It makes it better. Yeah. Look at that. Nothing on that. Nothing on that. Some more. Hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Hot sauce Louisiana. Louisiana. It's the best hot sauce ever made. What's up out there, by the way? Oh, my cousins. My cousins, what's up? You know how you are? Little short stack Paul Medina. Adrian Gonzalez. Adrian Pachon. Steve. Pinky Castillo. I think it's Castillo. Something like that. Cousins. Too good chicken. Bomb chicken. So anyway, YouTube, thanks for watching. Hope you white people go back. Now eat some chicken now. Give me a 5-star rating on this. I know nobody teach y'all to eat chicken like I do. Peace. Man, make a love to the chicken, huh?